Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USNMix YouTube channel. Today's topic is Google Doodle asks to stay at home and play games with ICC Champions Trophy, and this is the game of Google Doodle for special children and which is published in 2017. The world is locked down because of coronavirus. Now we are working from home due to lockdown situation, and we do our office work at home. And now Google is a default search engine for everyone worldwide, and all of you have to see this doodle in this homepage. So when we open this internet, when we just open our homepage, browse, then Google is came in our front page, and you have seen one doodle is there. This is the Google Doodle Cricket 2017. See, stay and play at home with this popular past Google Doodle Cricket 2017. So it is Google Doodle Cricket 17 game, and today we'll discuss about how to play this game. So now I just click on this and see, this is the cricket game, and you can play and pass your time whenever you are working in office, in your home, office work from your home. But before start, I want to say, if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics will be discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments, and click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end, otherwise you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the playground to play cricket. So click on this play button. Now see, this is the Google Play. This is starting the game. But before start, I want to say something about this game. Google Doodle relaunches this popular game series by making doodles play like this. How can we play this Google Cricket? I will today show you, and you can enjoy with this playing this game, Google Doodle Cricket 2017. And Google has been making dedicated doodles for Corona warriors for the past several days, while Google has launched the old game series by making doodles. This doodle depicts the popular game coding, and users will be able to relive their old days by playing games. Let us know, the company introduced these popular games for special children 2017. Even before this, the company had made many doodles which popular liked very much. And so how can you play this great cricket game by clicking on this doodle. So first we just open this our google.com, then you will see this Google Doodle and play this, and again you click on this doodle. You have this window is come in front of your desktop, and now click on this ICC Champions Trophy 2017 begins. So this is the playground and the game starts. So it shows that this is the batsman, this is the runner, and there's the bowling. You have seen this is the mouse, this is the cursor. You just see the batsman is ready. Now just click once, then ball is ready. I am playing. See, there is 1 run in the scoreboard. Now see, the game is started. Game is short runs only. See how to play this game. Just one click. When the ball comes, then just click. Just left click, and this. There are 4 runs. This boundary 4. You have seen, and enjoy this game. Oh, 6. Great. Bold. So this is the out, and when you out, then this is scoreboard this is the current scoreboard 26. Now it is just turn over. Again the batsman is ready. Bold. If you just miss, then just 2 run. My highest score is 52. Then it is so easy. It is the top. One shot run. 6 boundaries. This is 7 runs total. See the scoreboard here, and this is the highest run. Now the 6 boundary. Oh, great game. I am just playing. 6 as a 6 boundary. Now 21. Very popular game and very interesting game. Oh, 6. Total 30. Oh. It is 4 run and 34 runs. This is one another boundary, 4 runs. Six. Oh, it's 48. Oh, it's bold and now out. So in this way you can play this game. It is very interesting cricket game of 2017 ICC Champions Trophy. Google Doodle makes it, and you very enjoy playing this game in your desktop or your laptop. Again, I will just play this game. So here, very interesting game. See, if I 0 runs, so duck. So in the first ball, when it's bat ball is come, then bat we just before I play this bat, so it is bold. Now I again this playing this game. No run, 1 run, and then oh, six. Oh, great shot. And now total run 13. But so miss. Oh, another try. I just want to make half century. I just try to make half century. 6. So it is 6. Another 4 is 17 run total. So 21 total. 23. 27. 30. 38. And another 6. 44. And it's 48. Oh, 6. Then it is showing that's 54, and it's a half century for this batsman. Another gap shot, and is 58 for 6. See the when the runs goes on, this is bold. So this is the highest score is 78. Now out. So okay friends, now we'll play again for make century. Try. First ball. Oh, 1 run. Oh, 6. I will try make century. 6. Six. Six. Again 6. Boundary 4 runs. Oh, 50 runs, sub century, and the game is over, out. So in this way we will play this game, and you will just make target. Like in the previous game I just make 78, now 50. So in this game I want to try 100. So in this way you just increase your run score and you can enjoy and pass time whatever you playing this game. And you just in this lockdown situation, this is the best game to play and enjoy whenever you are working office work, and in the leisures for some time pass you just play this game and enjoy. This is a very good game, Google Doodle ICC Champions Trophy 2017. So play and enjoy. Okay friends, that's it. And after watching this video, now you can know the detail how to play this ICC Champions Trophy 2017 Google Doodle game. And you enjoy this video and you like this video, I think so. So and thanks for watching this video. And if you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our USNMix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USNMix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.